Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can apply the glow picture effect in Microsoft Word. So let's go quick into the process. Let's open Microsoft Word first. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Word. Click on it under the best match. Click on the blank document. So here, let me just quickly insert a picture. Okay, so once you have your picture, you need to select it first. You have to select it so that by clicking on it, you are going to select it so that this tab will appear right here at the top, the picture format. Now click on that. So here you will find picture effects. Click on this drop down arrow and here you'll find glow. So you have here the glow variation. So it's up to you. You have this glow 5-point dark teal accent color 1. You have this glow 5-point orange accent color 2. So it's up to you on what do you like, what is your preference. Now let me go with this one. Now once you have selected that, go back to picture effects and click on glow, and you have here more glow options. Then you can change the size from here, the width of the glow effect. Okay, so as you can see on the screen, also for the transparency. And for the color, you can also change that from here. And now let's close this window. And that's it. You have just applied the glow effect into your picture in Microsoft Word. As easy as that. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.